Welcome to Hello English pronunciation class. Let's learn the pronunciation of the names of some kitchen utensils. The first word is blender. Blender is an electric machine that cuts or crushes food into small pieces or liquids used especially in cooking. It is often incorrectly pronounced as blander. Please remember, you do not have to emphasize a lot on the E after the L. So, it will not be blah but blender. So the correct pronunciation of the word is blender. Kettle is a covered container with a handle used for boiling water. It is often incorrectly pronounced as kettle. Please remember, LE in the end will be pronounced as ill and not lee. So the correct pronunciation of the word is kettle. Spatula is a kitchen utensil with a wide, flat blade used especially for lifting and spreading foods. The mistake that people often make in pronouncing this word is that they call it spatula. Please remember, the TU will be pronounced as chew and not to. So the correct pronunciation of the word is spatula. Grater is a metal device with holes surrounded by sharp edges used to cut food into small pieces. It is often incorrectly pronounced as grater. Please remember, GRA will be pronounced as gray. So the correct pronunciation of the word is grater. Ladle is a big spoon with a long handle and a deep cup-shaped part. It is often incorrectly pronounced as ladle. Please remember, LA will be pronounced as lay and not la. So the correct pronunciation of the word is ladle. Colander is a bowl with many holes in it, used for washing food or for removing water from food that has been cooked. It is often incorrectly pronounced as colander. Please remember, in order to pronounce this correctly, let's break it into three parts. COL will be pronounced as call, AN will be pronounced as in, and DER will be pronounced as der. Now let's join the three. Colander. So the correct pronunciation of the word is colander. Now listen to the correct pronunciation of these words once again. Blender, kettle, spatula, grater, ladle, and colander. That's all for this week. To learn the correct